So this is the YikTOL Dog Grooming Kit with vacuum suction and 7 grooming tools. So full disclosure, they sent me this to do a review video on. So we're just going to open this up and take a look. So it comes with the instructions and the different tools. We'll take a look at each one of those a little bit later. And the reason why you might want to invest in one of these is anybody who has pets knows it's very expensive if you have to take them to the groomer, and this can absolutely save you some money if you can do a lot of the maintenance for your pets at home. So you've got the vacuum itself with a 2.5 dust cup, a 4.5-foot hose, and then you've got the tray which holds the 7 attachments, which includes the cleaning brush, the grooming brush, the nozzle, electric clipper, deshedding tool, foot hair clipper, and nail grinder. And then you've got your 4 guides for the clippers to control the length of the cut for your hair. Assembly is very simple. You just grab your hose, line it up, and just press it in. You have to give it a little bit of a push. And then you just pick which attachment you want to use. And that goes on simply. They're interchangeable. You can use the hose either side. They're the same on both ends. So we're going to power this on, and that's number 1. You can kind of hear and feel the suction. This one has 3 levels, 1, 2, and 3. As you can hear, it's a little bit louder, but level 1 is pretty quiet. Now we have cats, so we're going to go with the level 1, and this is the groomer. And Barnum here is a little bit interested. He's kind of wondering what we're doing to him, but he doesn't seem to have any fear of the sound, and we're going very gently on level 1 with him, and he's starting to dig it, I think. So this is very gentle, and but it is definitely picking up hair, and we'll see that in a minute. Now what isn't going in the vacuum is getting caught on the tines, and but you can see right here that in just those few passes with the brush, we've got some hair in there. That's actually quite a bit. I'm kind of impressed with that. So next we're going to take the deshedding tool, which is a little bit deeper, and it's going to get a lot more of that hair off of Barnum here. And once again, what isn't getting caught on the tines of the brush is getting sucked into the vacuum, so you don't have hair flying all around. The next I'm going to take the clippers, and I did not put the guide in there. Oops, sorry, Barnum. You can see it went right to his skin. I should have had the guide on there. But as you can see, that is a significant amount of hair with just those simple passes with the brush. So getting the hair out of there is very simple. You just pull this up, it snaps right off. And like I said, we just did one side of Barnum, and you can see how much hair that picked up. I'm actually quite impressed with that. That just means a lot less hair that's going to end up on the floor that we have to suck up. So my final take on the YikTOL Pet Grooming Vacuum Kit is I was actually very impressed. It's really high quality. Everything seems really solid. The suction was very powerful. The attachments were great. I didn't use all of them because I know that my cats were not going to let me use the nail grinders, and they don't have any hair between their toes or their feet, so I didn't need to use that one. But if you had a dog, those would probably work really well, especially if they have longer hair. And being able to trim their hair with the clippers is an awesome option. So at the end of the day, we really liked it, and we think that you will like it too.